Grateful for growth. Embrace life lessons. Find a calm and quiet space. Allow yourself to settle gently. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale softly and slowly. Feel your body begin to relax. Let your shoulders soften. Relax your jaw and forehead. Bring awareness to your breath. Feel each breath grounding you. Allow your thoughts to slow down. Rest quietly in this moment. Think of how far you have come. Remember the lessons you have learned. Every challenge shaped your strength. Every experience helped you grow. Allow gratitude to fill your heart. Breathe in appreciation. Breathe out resistance. You are learning every day. Growth happens step by step. Honor your journey with kindness. Release the need for perfection. Allow yourself to simply be. Notice the wisdom within you. Your experiences hold meaning. Even difficult moments brought insight. You have grown through every season. Feel gratitude for your resilience. Feel gratitude for your courage. Take another deep breath in. Exhale with ease. Allow peace to surround you. You are exactly where you need to be. Trust the path before you. Every lesson serves your growth. Every moment teaches something valuable. Allow yourself to receive these lessons. Feel your heart becoming lighter. Release regret and self-judgment. You did the best you could. Honor your past with compassion. Let gratitude replace criticism. Your journey is still unfolding. There's beauty in becoming. Take a slow, calming breath. Feel your breath steady your mind. Allow your body to feel supported. Rest peacefully in this awareness. Growth takes patience and trust. You are evolving in your own time. There is no need to rush. Appreciate the person you are today. Celebrate your progress gently. Even small steps matter. Your growth is meaningful. Feel gratitude expanding within you. Let this feeling grow stronger. Breathe in calm acceptance. Breathe out doubt and fear. You are becoming wiser. You are becoming stronger. You are becoming more aware. Trust your inner growth. Feel calm flowing through you. Allow your heart to stay open. Release what no longer serves you. Make space for a new understanding. Feel connected to your journey. Feel proud of your growth. You have overcome so much. And you continue to rise. Take a deep healing breath. Exhale with gratitude. Allow peace to settle deeply. You are learning through life. Life is guiding your growth. Trust each lesson you receive. There is wisdom in every experience. Open your heart to gratitude. Feel warmth within your chest. Allow yourself to feel supported. You are never truly alone. Your journey matters deeply. Continue forward with trust. Continue forward with gratitude. Breathe slowly and gently. Feel your body relaxing more. Feel your mind becoming quiet. Feel your heart becoming calm. Stay present with this feeling. Let gratitude guide your thoughts. Let peace guide your actions. You're growing every day. And your growth has purpose. Take another calming breath. Feel gratitude moving through you. Allow yourself to feel proud. You have come a long way. And there is more ahead. Welcome each lesson with openness. Welcome each day with gratitude. Feel peace surrounding you now. Rest gently in this awareness. Allow your breath to deepen. Begin returning to the present moment. Notice your body once again. Feel the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers gently. Wiggle your toes softly. Carry this gratitude with you. Carry these lessons with love. You are growing beautifully. You are becoming more yourself. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale slowly and fully. Gently open your eyes. Return with calm awareness. Thank yourself for this moment. May gratitude guide your journey.